How to download Twitch on PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To download the Twitch on your PC, all you need to do is launch your preferred browser in your PC. Now, once you are in the browser, go ahead and search for twitch.com. This will redirect you to the official webpage of Twitch. If you have not logged in yet, no need to hurry, you can just let it be as well. So in your browser, in your top right, you will see the three dot icon. Tap on the given three dot icon. Now from the list, either check out the option of more tools and locate the option of create shortcut. If you cannot find the create shortcut option in more tools, just tap on cast, save and share option where you will see the option of create shortcut. Here, tap on the given option. Now over here, name your application just like you wish and click on create. After that, when you head back from your web page, you will see that you have created a shortcut. And just with double click, it will automatically redirect you to the Twitch web page. This is because Twitch application is not available for your PC and we have to use this workaround. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.